Republicans took their first step toward repealing and replacing the Affordable Care Act, more commonly known as Obamacare. The health insurance program was criticized as too expensive with too much regulations. Although Republicans say the replacement plans will be more affordable and easier to use, many Americans are worried about whether the new plan will cover pre-existing conditions. Carolyn Pursuti reports.
A store closed, a life career gone.
Working 12 to 14 hours every day, doing whatever you have to pay the bills and make it work.
Bobby closed his Kansas furniture store after he couldn't pay thousands of dollars for health insurance for him and his employees.
This was my dream, and it disappeared in a few years.
Bobby now spends a lot of time at home.
How are you guys doing?
He's unemployed.
Come see Bella.
And gets his health insurance through the Affordable Care Act, or ACA, passed under President Barack Obama. It's keeping him alive.
My prescription cost is about $2,500 a month to get filled.
Bobby worries that replacement plans proposed by Congress will end the program or remove its prescription coverage or the mandate to cover pre-existing conditions.
Obama has said that his health care plan is not perfect. It could use some changes, but not do away with it.
How many do I have today?
Dr. Donna Sweet's specialty is HIV care. She's a legend, working in the field since AIDS was discovered. She says ending the ACA would take the disease back decades.
Especially if we lose ACA, it's right back to people dying if they can't get their medicines.
Dr. Sweet says that would lead to a public health disaster.
There's a 96% reduction in transmission when the person who's infected is on medicine.
The ACA has had its problems. Mercy Medical Center in Independence, Kansas used to look like this. Now half of it is torn down. The hospital closed because of financial issues, in part because of the ACA's low reimbursement rate. But Mercy isn't alone. 80 rural hospitals have closed since 2010. That's the year the Affordable Care Act went into effect.
What we're looking for.
Dr. Greg Hennon runs a mental health clinic 5 minutes away.
I don't see a hospital ever coming back to Independence, Kansas.
Without nearby hospitals, ACA patients must rely on specific clinics, which are difficult to find in some rural areas. Cindy Williams' husband lost his job a year ago. She hopes Congress keeps the Affordable Care Act affordable.
We've saved money over the years, so we have a little backup, but a lot of people don't have that little backup.
20 million Americans are covered by the ACA. Its repeal is a priority of the new administration, but coming up with a replacement may take a while.